What's going on, everybody? Old School Rock Paper Posgate here. I figured I'd do an unboxing on this. This is not a Rock Paper Posgate item, so I'm not going to list it under the playlist. I ended up picking this up off of eBay. How much was it? It was like 35 bucks or something like that, or $38. It was the cheapest RCA distribution block that was on there. So I ended up buying it because I'm going to end up running multiple amplifiers in my car, and I'm wanting to split the RCA, the signal off. So I figured I would just buy one of them and see how they look. Oh, that's cute. And then buy more or buy bigger ones. Right now the seller's only got 3 of them. There's another guy on there who has, I think, a 4-way. But let's take a look. Ain't nothing in the box with this, so I'll wrap it. Like I said, once again, this is not a Rock Paper Posgate item. Holy cow. Okay, so let's open this up. That's cool. Okay. What is this? Oh, Velcro. Okay. Put this aside. So basically, what I bought is one of these. So you run your RCAs in here, and then you run your RCAs out. So you got input and then output. So that way I can run 3 amplifiers. So I'm going to have 2 of these. So I'm going to run RCAs into one. Maybe not. No, I'm going to need one with 6 outputs. Yeah, I'm still going to need either 2 of these or one that has 6 of these. So anyway, looks like they're gold plated. So these, the seller ended up mentioning that you can't screw it down, because if you notice the screw holes here, those are easy to get to, but these aren't. So they included Velcro. Huh, that's actually a good idea. Because I don't plan on screwing this down, I don't think. I mean, hell, if you're going to put it in your car and you got Velcro and you got carpet in the back end of your car, you just use this piece and it should stick to your carpet. Just do that and you're done. That's kind of cool. It actually has like some decent weight to it for what it is. But real quick video, like I said, this isn't a Rock Paper Posgate item, but I just wanted to do a video on it. RCA input, and then you can run 3 out to your amplifier. So it's pretty neat. Like I said, this was under 40 bucks. I think it was like $35, $36, something like that. So anyway, if you guys have any questions or anything, like always, feel free to drop me a comment down below. Thank you all, 501 subscribers. Now hopefully we can get up there to the 1,000 mark. Let's go for 1,000. Have a good one, guys.